In the first step, we take the flag instructions from the event block. And the second step is we go to the motion class and take the move block with 50 steps, and we also need to turn right or left with 90-degree values. I manually finish the square by pressing the flag 4 times at first, and then I utilize the loop from the control block because we repeat the instruction 4 times. Therefore, we use a numbered loop with 4 values to automate the manual instruction. We need the instruction to change by X and enter 50 because we are now moving 50 pixels in the direction of the X-axis to create another square. Since we need to make a 2x2 grid, we only need to make 2 squares for the time being, but this will enable us to keep making 50 by 50 squares in the X-axis direction. We must take 50 steps along the Y-axis, 100 steps back along the X-axis, and finally arrive at the 0 point at the X-axis to complete a layer of the square. Lastly, we create the final square to finish the 4x4 grid.